Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to change your name in the Starling Bank mobile app. First, open the Starling Bank app on your phone and log in using your passcode or biometric login. Once you are logged in, look for the menu icon. This is usually found in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on this menu to open more options. From the list, select Help. Inside the Help section, tap on Talk to Starling or Start a New Conversation. This will take you to the in-app messaging area. Next, choose the option to send a message or start a live chat. When the chat opens, clearly explain that you want to change the name on your account. The customer service team will guide you through the process. You will then need to attach proof of your name change. This is a very important step. Take a clear photo or upload a scan of your legal document. Accepted documents include a deed poll, a marriage certificate, or a divorce certificate. Make sure the document is easy to read and shows your full name clearly. After you send the document, the Starling customer service team will review it. This may take a short amount of time depending on how busy they are. Once your document is approved, Starling will update the name on your account. Thanks for watching.